Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dip powder nail design using Azure Beauty dip powders. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Azure Beauty Pink and Grey Dip Powder, and Model 1's Gold Glitter Gel. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just using Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Now I'm just applying one layer of base and then dipping it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. This step is optional, so it's not necessary, but I like doing it. This acts as a base in building my nails. Usually I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into clear dip powder, and then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into clear dip powder. But I switch it up sometimes, so anyone can be done. So starting with my index finger, I apply base to the whole nail. And then I pour my Azure Beauty dip powder. This dip powder is somewhat sheer on the first layer. I did about 4 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. You could do as many as you want. I also did the same for my pinky finger. The grey is a really nice grey as well. Azure Beauty has some really nice shades of colors. I used this grey in a video I'll link in the cards where I encapsulated some glitter. That was a challenge because of how sheer the color is. It needs a few layers to reach full opacity, and the fact that I had to encapsulate glitter as well, so that meant that it would have ended up being a little too bulky, but it wouldn't look nice like that. And I didn't want it too thin because the color needed a few layers to reach full opacity. But it came out good, so no complaints. However, I like doing it this way without encapsulating any glitter. So onto my middle finger, I'm doing the pink dip powder, which is so gorgeous. I did 3 layers of dip powder. I also did the same for my ring finger. The pink is so gorgeous. It's a very bright pink. It looks neon in the video, but it's not that bright in person, but it's still gorgeous. So on the thumb, I'm doing a color block nail design, and since my nails are so straightforward, I wanted to do something kind of different on my thumb. So as I've said before in most of my videos, it's all about how you position your hands to achieve your design. I wanted to do a Z with the pink for some weird reason. I have all kinds of color block designs in my head, it's crazy. So I might be doing a lot of color block designs in the future. So even if you see my nails in the thumbnail looking basic, just know there is a high possibility that the thumb might be a color block. This color block actually look way better in my head, to be honest, but it's still nice, so I'll work with it. I did 3 layers of that. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below to let me know what you think. So now I encapsulate all the nails with my Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. I did 2 layers of this, I believe. And now I apply activator to harden the nails, and then I waited a few minutes, then began filing. So this is after filing and buffing, and I wanted to use some striping tape to make my design pop a little, but this turned out to be a fail. Striping tapes are the worst. They said that it was self-adhesive, but that's not the case. Ain't no self-adhesion on these tapes. So let me go through all that I did to try to get these tapes to stick. While attempting the impossible, I remembered that I had some Model 1 nail glue that I purchased a while back. So in my head, it must work. It's glue, and that's what I need for it to adhere. That's science, right? Glue plus striping tape equals stick to my nails. So I applied the glue to my nails, and then I applied some Model 1 top coat as well. And I just waited and waited and waited for it to adhere. While doing that, I realized that I had a lot more patience than I thought, because this went on for a while. So I was at my wit's end. So I tried my dip powder glue, because it's glue that has to work, right? I applied glue to the tape and put it on my nails. It low-key looked like it was adhering to my nails, but the damn glue changed the color of the striping tape. Damn. So I gave up and decided to use my glitter gel polish from Model 1s. And I did a nice ombre on the middle and the ring finger, and I cured it for 60 seconds. If you don't have any gel glitter, you can always use loose glitter and mix it with some gel top coat as well. That works. And if you don't have any gel polish at all, you can use loose glitter and activator. I have a playlist I will link in the description below on how I apply glitter with dip liquids. It's really simple to do and it works. So you have options. I opted for this method because I'm fairly new to gel polish, so I'm just practicing and I'm figuring out what works and what doesn't. So I have options in order to let you guys know. Then I applied top coat to my nails. On the middle and ring finger, I applied 2 layers of top coat because the glitter was a bit textured, and then I cured for 60 seconds. So I waited for my nails to cool down and then I applied cuticle oil. And this is the finished look, guys. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!